Eyes open, not to light, but Allah's mercy. Jannah breathes you in, gates open, not by deeds but His call, you enter. Feet on silk, earth of Jannah. Allah says, welcome home. 4 rivers flow, water, milk, honey, tasneem, all from His grace. Golden tree, fruit falls. Not for work, but for you. Allah provides, you reach, grateful, the fruit comes. Subhanallah, one taste, sweetness beyond worlds. Tasneem flows, cup fills, not by hand, by Allah's care. You drink purity, joy. Palace of mercy, no fear, no lock, Allah's love holds it. You walk by His will, the palace leans in. We've waited. Birds sing, not with words, but peace. Every note, Allah is kind. River of milk flows, pure, endless. Allah gives, not a drop wasted. Honey without bees, thick, sweet. The branch bent, not by wind, but by care. Fruit floated close, it knew you. Shade welcomed you, not to hide, but to rest. Coolness from Allah's mercy. Leaves trembled, not from wind, but Jannah breathing. Water from life's spring, clear, cool, not just to drink, to purify your soul. One fruit tasted, became all you loved. Your palace, built by mercy, not speaking, just waiting. Pearl arch, beneath it, tasneem flows. Even paths here are mercy. 2 birds landed, silent. Even they know, no words needed in Allah's peace. Mist rose from milk, not from heat, but life. Fruit came again, not because you reached, but it longed to be yours. A leaf fell, gently, not decay, but peace. 4 rivers met, 1 basin, perfect harmony. A petal rose, not by wind but by care. Even the small is cherished. You walked, and the palace drew near. It knew, it loved, it waited. You paused, and Jannah paused too. Everything held its breath for you. The ground rose, not to lift you, but to honor you. By His mercy, the path formed, the door opened, not because you knocked, but because it was always yours. You stepped in, and the air breathed with you. The palace knew, your home. No sun, no lamp, yet it glowed. You reached, and the door opened wider, not by hand, by his care. Then came the scent, musk, flowers, the breath of Allah's mercy. Held in light, a couch, gold, silk, not for show, for rest, for your soul. A cup waited, tasneem, already full. It had been years, and still it waited. Through the arch, your children, born of mercy, laughing where no harm can go. One turned, not called, but felt you. Peace in their gaze, they always knew you'd come. They left a flower. Allah promised, all are cherished. Fruit came to them, no effort, no want. Jannah gives freely to its children. By Allah's grace, they passed fruit, not food, but peace, won by the river, filling tasneem, not for praise, for you, as he promised. They passed under the arch, silent, humble. The cup waited, placed, not pushed. They read beneath the tree, golden book, quiet heart, even the honored rest in Jannah. Dates, honey, no request, just endless mercy. Sleeve brushed a flower, it bloomed, not magic. You walk in baraka, a third tray, not food, but a garment. Everything you need is here.